You're annoying, man. You can seriously get reported for that. You're being toxic. You know that, right? You're being annoying. You know what? How do you tell a person who can't talk in this game to shut the fuck up? Oh yeah, by reporting them. They keep being annoying. You know what? It's your fault, Huggy Wuggy. It's your fault now. Oh, that I'm reporting you. By the way, hey, you're being recorded right now. Ow. You're being recorded. No, bro, I'm not falling for that. I'm not falling for that. I'm not stupid. My guy, shut up! Nobody asked! Damn. Damn. Well, I wouldn't trust that guy if I Well, I wouldn't trust the guy that just put a potion in there if I was you, y'all. Because you really thought that sharing enabled. Well, get there, the enabled, because now I'm getting out of here. Because now, oh, I'm flying away. You know what? No, no, no. That might be a trap. That might be a trap. So, bro, I'm recording that dark blue behind you just now. Buddy, shut up, man. I'm recording right now. Now, you know that, right? You're about to I might post you to YouTube. No, not you, No, not you, headband. But Gorilla Cap, you are being recorded right now. And now, because of your toxicity. Buddy, no, go drink it yourself. Drink it yourself if you're sure, because you sure you can train. Holy bro. Oh, you think it's your base? No, don't drink it! Don't drink it. That might be a trap. It might be a trap, babe. My God, are you actually Okay, man, not just... Please, don't let me lose control, man. You're actually getting stupid by I swear this society needs common sense. Now what I mean by common sense? Almost everyone in this movie. Hmm. Yo, 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 red. I'm recording right now. I'm recording that. I'm recording a dark blue with a gorilla cap right now. Should I finish soon and post it to you? Should I should I post? Should I post the guy named Huggy Wuggy to YouTube? Because he's been very toxic lately. Without even talking. Yes? Yeah. Okay. I'll finish soon. I'll finish soon. Well, at least there's somebody who agrees for once. Huh. Well, at least there's the first one. Let me. What? I'll just check if like you were here. Hmm. That's what I thought. Hmm.